Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. It is only necessary to make it clear that impediment of the insurer as party in a claim petition under section 170 of the Act should not be confused with the impediment of insurer as party under section 149 within bracket 2 of the said Act full stop. The impediment of insurer in the claim petition under section 149 within bracket 2 of the Act is made only for limited purpose and meant to enable the insurer to contest the claim on the grounds available to the insurer under said section, whereas the impediment of insurer as party in the claims petition under section 170 of the Act enlarges his right to contest the claim petition on merits also besides the defense available to the insurer under section 149 within bracket 2 of the said Act full stop. Virtually, the impediment of insurer under section 170 of the said Act is grant of permission by the claims tribunal to the insurer to contest the claim petition on merits full stop. Therefore, the expression impediment of insurer as party in the claim petition employed under both the sections should be understood in context of which it has been used in respect section full stop para. So far as the necessity of recording the reasons by the claims tribunal is concerned, in Anup Singh's case within bracket supra, it was held that an insurance company can be permitted to contest the proceedings on merits only if the conditions precedent mentioned in section 170 of the Act are found to be satisfied, and for that purpose insurance company has to obtain an error in writing from the tribunal, and which should be a reasoned order by the tribunal full stop. It was further held that the failure to record the reasons by tribunal while allowing the application of insurance company under section 170 of the Act is not fatal for the reason that insurance company was not found to be prejudiced on account of omission to record reasons by claims tribunal while permitting the insurer to contest the claim on merits full stop. In the said case, owner cum driver did not file written statement in the claim petition and has failed to contest the case full stop. The claims tribunal allowed the application of insurer under section 170 of the Act, holding that permission is granted as prayed for full stop para. Therefore, in my opinion, from the aforesaid decision, it follows that while allowing the application of insurance company for grant of permission to contest the claim on merit under section 170 of the Act, it is not essential for the claims tribunal to record reasons, therefore, for the reasons that it would not be prejudicial to the interest of insurer despite clear mandate of Section 170 of the Act and recording the reasons, full stop. However, the tribunal is certainly bound to record the reasons in the case application of insurance company / insurer under Section 170 of the Act is to be rejected by the tribunal because of the simple reason that in such eventuality order of the claims tribunal would adversely affect the interest of insurer, full stop, over.